If you're a business owner, whether big or small, I'm sure you've come to understand the importance of Facebook ads in your business. When I started up as a business owner, Facebook ads was really what helped me stand out, because I did not know anybody. I did not have anybody that would give me a shout out, that will even maybe get me some customers. I did not have a physical store. I did not have any of these things. So, and I needed a way to advertise. You and I know that when it comes to organic marketing, is kind of somehow the algorithm can mess you up anytime, any day. Let's look at factors to consider when you're creating your ads. These are some very, very key things that you must put in mind when you're setting up your ad. The first one is your audience targeting. This one has messed up a lot of people as ads. When you have every other thing on check, but then that thing you have on check, you are not sending it out to the wrong group of people. Imagine selling whitening toothpaste to someone with perfect white teeth. No matter how amazing your product is, no matter how it whitens, no matter how it freshens, they are not going to be interested. So it's also important that you make sure that this your ad is going to the people that are actually interested in buying that your product or service. So you need to target right. The next thing is your objective. Your objective is the goal of your campaign. What you would like to achieve from this campaign. That is, even if nothing happens for this ad that I'm trying to set up, this thing must happen for me to know that this is an ad that has converted. So setting the right objective or selecting the right objective can actually make or mar your ad. You may be wondering, so what if the exact thing I want to achieve is not among the options that are listed for me there? Go for the next best thing. There must be at least one objective that is close to that thing that you're trying to achieve. You go for it. Your objective could be to increase sales, to generate leads, to drive website traffic, to boost brand awareness, or to even promote a specific product or service. It could be any of these things. So you find the Facebook or Instagram objective that is closest to what you're trying to look for, and then you work with it. Now, the next one is platform selection. You should now ask yourself for which platforms that this your ad is going to be going to. It could be going to Facebook, it could be going to Instagram, YouTube, Google, Binge. It could be going to Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. These are all different platforms that you can put out your ads and then get people to come in and check out your products and services. Now you look at the ad format. How do I hope to send out this ad? Is it going to be an image? Is it going to be a carousel? Is it going to be a graphic? Why it's important for you to choose the platform first is that there are platforms that don't support some kind of formats. It is not all platforms that would allow you to place a carousel. Some may not allow you to place a video. Some, if you're going to be using text, it is very limited to a number of text characters. So choosing your platform will help you know the kind of ad formats that you're going to use that will suit that platform that you've chosen. Then, of course, you need compelling creatives. You need something pretty. Your creatives are designed to stop the scroll. So whenever we're going through our phones, we're swiping, your creatives are designed to say, stop there, hold on. It's designed to stop the scroll. Then, of course, you should have very good ad copy. You should have a good ad copy that would help you pass your message in a clear and concise manner. Anybody that reads it will be able to know that, oh, this is actually the idea behind this ad. I have seen a couple of ads and then I'll look at it and I'll say, what was this person trying to say? I can't understand it. So you need to make sure that you're passing your information in a very clear and concise manner. Brand consistency is the next thing that you should have in mind. Make sure that there's congruency in your brand, whether it's your tone, that is the way you speak, whether it's voice or tonality in writing. Let your brand tone be consistent. Your visuals, let your colors be consistent. The text that you use on your colors. All these things are going to help you to make sure that you are moving these people. You don't want these people to move from your ad, arrive on your sales page, and then start wondering if they are at the right place, because everything sounds different, everything looks different. You want them to be sure that, oh, I'm at the right place. So make sure that your branding is consistent across all your channels and across all the touch points that your prospect or lead is going to touch to eventually get to that destination or that goal that you want them to get to. Doing this will help you reinforce your brand recognition and trust of your brand. Another factor you can consider when you're setting up your campaigns is A/B testing. A/B testing, just as the name says, A/B. So it means you have two things and you're trying to pitch which one is going to be better. So we have something A and something B, and we are like, let us compare which will be the better option, whether it's A or whether it's B. You can use A/B testing to test different variations of your copy, your visuals, your targeting, your budget. You can use A/B testing to test virtually everything. Just make sure that you're not testing more than one element at a time. This is a rookie mistake that we make. We want to do A/B testing on two ads. So ad A has a different targeting. Ad B has a different targeting. Ad A has a different graphic. Ad B has a different graphic. Ad A has a different copy. Ad B has a different copy. Then when ad B is performing more than ad A, you now say, yes, ad B is better. But do you know that you did not do any A/B test? Because you don't know the element that is making ad B better. So when you're doing your A/B test, make sure you only test one element at a time, so that when this ad is better, you can say, oh, it's because the targeting was different. Oh, it's because the ad copy was different. So you cannot change multiple elements and then you now say, oh, this one was performing better, but you don't know why. And that has defeated the purpose of an A/B test. You're supposed to know why. Then, of course, you need to consider your ad placements. Example, if you're running the ad on Facebook and Instagram via your business manager, your ads manager dashboard, you're going to see the option for placement. This is where you can choose, oh, I want it to be at the left column, I want it to be only on desktop, I want it to be on Reels, I want it to appear on Instagram Explore. You have so many options on the exact placement that you want it to be on these platforms. This is actually one of the things that you also need to keep in mind when you're trying to set up your campaign. And lastly, you need to consider your metrics. Track. Whether you're doing well, whether you're not doing well, track. If you're doing well, you track so that you can replicate that thing that you did well. And if you're not doing well, you still track so that you can do better. So make sure that you have your metrics on lockdown and make sure that you're tracking everything trackable. Have you subscribed to our channel? I know you've been enjoying this video so far. That's why you're still here. Have you subscribed? Have you liked? Have you dropped a comment? Have you shared this video with a friend? What are you waiting for? Share it quickly. They will thank you for it.